Belthangady Police in Karnataka's Dakshina Kannada district have come under sharp criticism after admitting to destroying key records of unidentified death cases registered between 2000 and 2015, a time frame that overlaps almost entirely with the period during which a whistleblower has alleged mass burials took place in Dharamsthala, a temple town located within the same taluk. The erasure of these records has triggered deep concern, as the whistleblower claims that between 1998 and 2014 he was forced to bury and cremate the bodies of women and minors, many of whom he alleges bore signs of sexual assault. Ashwini, now this is a huge deal. Destroying records related to unidentified murders and claims. Who's supposed to get into trouble for this? The police department obviously has a lot to talk about.
Vinita, its duty lies on the police only. Once the matter reported to the police under the Indian Police Act, police under the criminal law, CRPC, IPC, or in the local laws are responsible to look into any affairs with respect to the commission of offence. Police is duty bound to collect the evidences and take it for the further, must publish, give it to the court, so the court may take a decision. So here the primary responsibility on the police, and it was not that it was not reported. Reported, as I said, the voice was silenced. People were fearing death, despite that their children were missing. So justice delayed, justice denied, and voices actually of the victims ignored at the behest of of course, those people who were behind this, who never wanted the evidence to come and record. We never wanted that the real culprits are taken to the logical end by the court. And you see, not only this, not one front, that evidence has been destroyed. The fourth pillar of the democracy, that is the media's voice, who are constitutionally empowered to raise issues of public concerns. That was also by a court order, as Justice Nagprasanna very rightly, candidly have today said that they have a right under constitutional freedom under Article 19(1) of the Constitution of India. There was a gag order without any evidence. So it's an attempt to suppress the voice, not only of the victims, but also for those who are responsible to bring in the public domain. You see, one of the news portal, or you say News Minute, which had reported on the case extensively for years, was compelled to take down its articles from the site and is currently entangled in ongoing legal battles. So, and that is why you see, if a voice of the media is being suppressed, that is what, when there is any public issues or concern, or the executive fails to discharge his duties, then the media only comes and become the voice of the people, and those voices have been suppressed. So you may understand what happened to the evidences. And of course, without the support of the local police, nothing can happen. We have seen in Tharikan, we have seen in 1984 victims, we have seen in Kashmir massacre, we have seen number of cases. So still we are living in the independent era. The police is still of the 1861. Colonial laws have gone, but colonial mentality is still existing. And that is why, and that too, Vineet bhai, you see, when victims are made accused, it's a case where prosecution has failed, number one, and number two, victims have been made accused and their voices have been suppressed. Despite that you can see the law and order affairs. So I think that not only the state, but the prime country's investigating agency must look into it and must investigate in time-bound manner and may submit the report to the court, so that at least those who have been died, they should get justice at a delayed stage. Over to you.